Hey, beautiful. So if you had a wig that ever had a balding lace, but you need to be repaired, just know what our wig customization services, we got you. So this is a custom closure wig that I made for my client that she had for some time now. You know, over time, we have products, makeup, all these things in the wig. So it's perfect for me to wash this hair 3 to 4 times just to get everything out before I start to repair. The new closure I'll be using is from Beautiful Desires. It's our 18-inch HD closure. And I would just literally pop this old closure off, and then I will start sewing the new closure onto the wig. And always remember, balding laces do happen, but just know Beautiful Desires has you covered. And out with the old and in with the new, and look how you can't see the knots on this new closure. Let me say something. My bleaching process is the one. And just like that, this is the new closure on the wig from looking like this before and now after. So if you ever need a wig customized, repaired, or restored, you can contact Beautiful Desires or order online at beautifuldesires.com. But stay tuned for part 2 so you can see how I styled and give you the finished look on this wig.